What's up, YouTube? Solo Noe here. Staying with bright. It's like 7 a.m. right now. Kind of barely woke up. Today we're gonna be doing a Starlight Headliner on this Ford F-150. I think 2002 4-wheel drive or 4x4. I mean. But yeah, we're about to get started. I'm about to show you guys how to take off this headliner. But it's pretty much all common sense, as you can see. I already had this piece a little loose. You just had to take the clips off. And then that's pretty much how everything else is. Like this right here has a cover. Well, honestly, I don't think you have to take this part off. This one, but you do have to take the little clips off here, and I don't know if it's a screw or a clip in there. And it's the same process for the other side too. And then I'll get back to you guys when I have it off. Now we're starting with this. Hola cabrones y cabronas y jotas y jotos. It's because for like Ford trucks, I guess, it's like take off these trimmings right here. And got the headliner off, as you can see. It took me like 40 minutes, 45. Just I'm having these problems over here. Headliner's off, but these little clips, I don't know. I'll figure it out, but it's like because you gotta take this off, and then I don't know, it's weird now, bro. It's like, what? I'll figure it out, but now it's time to prep where all the stars are gonna go, all the 900 of them. But shoot, bro, it's like the same size as my extended cab, my Chevy I did. This is a crew cab. I thought it was gonna be bigger. But 900 stars here is gonna be crazy. But stay tuned. Oh. Now, this is where the fun begins, my boy. Now I'm just prepping to see where, because the fuse box is gonna go in the back, hanging towards the serial. There's a serial line in the back. I'll show you guys how it looks, but box here, 450. Going this way, and then the longer side will go coming around this way. Alright, ¿cómo estamos, viejones? So, I was planning doing 300 on these two, this side. And down the middle, obviously the 300 will go here too. So including like here from here. Then I was thinking of doing 150, so 3 and 3 is 6, plus 150. That's 9 already. But instead, I'm gonna be doing 250. Because I don't have too much, crumble up here. Then right here is all gaps. So I'm gonna do 250, 200. So I could get the sun visors here under. And under those sun visors. So yeah, that's the plan. And I think it's gonna look amazing. It's before. We'll see after. I'm trying to make the holes for my boys. Oh, damn, my jeans got dirty, bro. Anyways. Gotta keep everything organized. This is 200. As you can see, I was doing 200 in the front. This is 50. 50 for right here. And then, what you call it, bro? Right here, another 200, but this is for the back. 200 plus the other 200 are down here still. I'm stepping on. Then whatever extras I have, I'm just adding to here. So yeah, man, gotta keep it organized. So YouTube, okay. Swallow Noah looking good with this new haircut. Anyway. This is how we looking right now. Organizing all this so it could fit through the panels. This is gonna go down here. So the box is gonna go. Luckily, the customer can save me some money. I'm gonna run the cigarette lighter thing like this, and then run the wire through the back, and you won't be able to see it. It'll be the same thing as ignition, but he's gonna save himself $100. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. We out here, my boys. Got it done. Hey, that shit came out freaking good, bro. Hold on.